Sreemukhi's looks are a kaleidoscope of colors like Diwali fireworks. Recently, Sreemukhi appeared in the film Bhola Shankar alongside the legendary actor Chiranjeevi. Sreemukhi is a well-known name in the Telugu film and television industry. She has a strong presence on social media where she regularly shares beautiful photos that engage her fans. Her captivating style and charm have made her a popular figure among her followers. Sreemukhi started her career as a television host, quickly gaining recognition for her engaging personality. She made her film debut with a supporting role in July in 2012. However, it was her role in Prema Ishq Kadhal in 2013 that showcased her talent and versatility as an actress. Since then, she has become one of the highest paid personalities in Telugu television, earning accolades for her work. Recently, Sreemukhi appeared in the film Bhola Shankar alongside the legendary actor Chiranjeevi. Her performance in the movie received praise, further establishing her as a prominent actress in the industry. Sreemukhi's ability to connect with audiences both on screen and off makes her a beloved figure in the entertainment world. Her talent, her latest Instagram post beautifully captures the essence of festival celebrations. In the post, Sreemukhi wears a lovely yellow dress paired with a green and gold shawl, which adds elegance to her look. The background is adorned with vibrant flowers enhancing the festive atmosphere. She captioned the picture Diwali 2024, inviting her followers to celebrate the festival with her. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.